Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini. Today we're going to talk about one of the best resources that you can use when using essential oils. So one of the best essential oil resources that you can use is called the iTobi scanner. So this thing is really nice. What it does is you connect it to your body, so in your hand, and it goes ahead and it produces a personalized wellness assessment for you. So the thing that I love about this is it is safe for everybody to use. So I use it on my family, and then for my clients, and then also on my son, and he is about 2.5 years old. So it's safe for everybody. And what happens is you go ahead and you scan, and they have an app on your phone that you can go ahead and scan with, and it produces that personalized wellness evaluation for whoever you're scanning. So what you do is you go ahead and scan, and then you look on the app, and it shows you the essential oils that you can use to help bring your body back into balanced or aligned. So it's just a really great resource to use, especially if you're using essential oils every day. So my son loves to use it, and he'll actually ask if he can be scanned, which is super cute. But it's just a really great informative thing to use. If you have your own essential oil business, I highly recommend this as well, because it's a way to help others see how essential oils can support our bodies. It's just an amazing tool to have. If you're interested in learning more, we're holding a free webinar this week. I'll leave a link below where you can contact me and let me know you're interested. I would love to send you the link in order for you to come. We're going to talk about the iTobi scanner, some great information about it, and then there'll be a time at the end for some Q&A where you can ask any questions that you have about this scanner. Thanks for stopping in. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. I'll see you next week.